What should I do if my Xbox account is not linking to my EA account?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that has been bothering gamers lately: how to link an Xbox account with an EA account. If you've been struggling with this, don't worry. We're here to help.
Confirm your account details.
Firstly, ensure that your Xbox account and EA account details are correct. Sometimes, a simple typo or incorrect login details can cause this issue.
Check the server status.
Are EA servers online? If not, this could be the source of your problem. Server outages could prevent you from linking your accounts. To check EA server status, go to their official Twitter account or community forums for updates.
Log out and log in again.
The third step is trying to log out and log back into your accounts. This can often resolve minor glitches or issues that may prevent the accounts from linking.
Clear cache.
If the issue persists, clearing the cache on your Xbox could be a solution. To do this, power off the console, unplug it, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in, and power it back on.
Contact customer support.
As a last resort, contact EA's customer support. They can help troubleshoot your issue and provide guidance on linking your Xbox and EA accounts. When reaching out, make sure to provide as much information as possible to help them understand your problem. Remember, this is a common issue and many gamers have faced it. Don't get discouraged if the solution doesn't work right away. Keep trying different steps, and with a little patience, you'll be able to link your Xbox and EA accounts. Hope this video has been helpful. Happy gaming!